So, hi all. Today we'll discuss about Arab Tech Solutions. What are things we are providing different from others? So, six reasons why to join ATS. So, guys, before joining anywhere, we have to choose the better things to analyze why I am joining for this training and which institute is good for learning. So, here's the six pillar to provide best things so that after the learning you will at least crack or change your domain by cracking the interviews. So mostly these six pillars are required to crack your interviews. First thing is best theory concept. Who will provide best theory concept? Those professionals working on industry in long time. They will know the exact things which are required for learning. So in ATS you will learn with highly expert professionals. Those are working on this particular domain long time. They know how to fill the gap. If you are telecom engineer, your experience is higher than your CTC. For example, your experience is 8 year or 10 year, or you are getting 5 lakh, 6 lakh, 7 lakh, 8 lakh, 9 lakh or 10 lakh, even 12 lakh. As per industry, if your experience is 10 year, your package should be greater than at least 15 lakh. So, how you will increase your package while working in telecom? You have to learn the thing protocol testing. So, after the protocol learning is the only solution. If your experience is 10 year, you are getting 10 lakh. So, this is the way only you will get at least 18, 19 or 20 LPA. So, ATS will provide the best theory concept based on our experienced professionals. And now we are going to discuss real time tool experience, which means suppose we are providing only theory classes in 4 months, which is sufficient to crack the interview? Yes or no? Surely your answer will be no, because in industry they are using multiple tools, depends on company to company. So if you learn protocol testing, you are putting in your resume, you are also working in this domain. So you should know which tool, which organization is using for which functionality, for which purpose. So in ATS from day one will provide the tool experience with multiple tools vendors like Qualcomm. Another is big player MediaTek. They are using different tools. MediaTek is using ELT. Qualcomm is using QHDM and QCAT. So in daily session will provide real-time tool experience so that you will be more confident about the learning along with theory as well as real-time tool experience. Apart from this, now new thing added after completion of course, you need to hands-on to verify by your own self. So this feature is introduced by ATS And last 1 year, hands-on tools experience for individual as well, so that you will be more confident about the learning experience. While putting in resume you are working in this domain, you already know how to perform the thing on which tool, and by doing on you will be more confident. So this thing only will provide to a success to our candidate. Now we are moving another fourth pillar. ATS having separate placement cells. We have separate HRs. Those are hiring for different companies to provide manpower to the companies like Tech Mahindra, L&T, Qualcomm, MediaTek, Jio, Ericsson, and many more companies. So this is the good opportunity you will learn here, and our HR team will help you in placement as well. Next big thing, 24/7. Suppose today done the session, by evening you want to ask some doubt, the same trainer will give the answer for your query. If trainer is not available, we are working 24/7, either morning, evening, or other countries shift. So our another trainer will help you on particular topics, clear your doubt. This is also beneficial for you. Next thing, after the learning you will get certificate. Either you want internship certificate, will provide 6 months to 1 year internship certificate if you are fresher or less experience, so that you put in your resume you have done the internship on this protocol testing. So this is the total 6 pillar why to join ATS. So before joining anywhere, ask this query: if this pillar are required for the learning, think about and plan for the next batch. Next batch will start after 1 week or next Saturday. Our online demo is available by tomorrow. In online demo, we are demonstrating so many tools, so many UE emulators. So we are not sharing an open platform in YouTube. So feel free to ask any query and chat box and comment section, so that our team will assist you. Then we are moving on the syllabus part, what we are going to cover. So ATS is designed multiple syllabus, like if you want if you want 4G, you will take 4G protocol testing. If you want 5G protocol testing, you can choose 5G protocol testing. If you want to select 4G and 5G both, combo pack is also available along with oran. So 4G 5G oran is those who are not working in protocol testing side, they will prefer 4G 5G and oran, and those who are preferring 5G only, those are already working or confident on 4G. Based on your own experience, you will select the course. So this program is built to expertise to lead a hyper connected world. Join advanced certification program in Arab Tech Solution, 5G technology with Python automation. In December, new batch will going to start. So we'll discuss what we are going to cover. So actually this is 6 month executive program. In module first, related to 5G foundation, basics, back to basics, objective of digital communication, objective of digital communication, benefit of digital communication, element of digital communication, source coding, channel coding, modulator, TX-RX, modulation codings, wireless channel and channel effect, noise and noise effect, DV, DVM and DVFS, fading and fading effect, inter-symbol interference, demodulation and data decoding, signal processing, orthogonal frequency division multiplexing OFDM versus SC-FDMA, revisits cellular communication system. Then ingredients of mobile communication and cellular fundamentals, mobile communication and evolution 2G to 5G, spectrum for mobile communication, cell planning and concept for frequency reuse. In second module, we'll cover introduction of 5G NR. 5G terminology, principle of 5G NR architecture and operation, is specific interface that support split architecture models. Use case of 5G, enhance mobile broadband, machine type communication, MMTC, ultra reliable and low latency, URL LLC. In third module, we'll cover 5G network element and system overview, service-based architecture and core network elements, RAN elements and interfaces with the core network, deployment models, SA and NSA, dual connectivity model, functional splits, 5G standard and theory. Standard revisited, 3GPP standard and release numbers with significance, overview of FR1, FR2 operations, physical and access layer. The 5G technology theory, 5G NR, physical layer fundamentals and design decision, frame and slot structure and resource block frequency bands and numerology. Downlink channel mapping, synchronization signals, physical broadcast channels, PVCS block and burst, physical downlink control channel, control resource, core sets, physical downlink shared channel, search space sets, system information, MIBs and SIBs. MAC layer, multiplication of MAC SDUs, demultiplication of MAC SDUs, scheduling information reporting, error correction through HARC, logical channel, prioritization, RAG procedure, SDP layer related to QS and RVs to Q5 mapping. We will discuss into the deep drive learning. PDCP layer, maintenance of PDCP's essence, header compression and decompression, ciphering and ciphering of user plane data and control plane data, integrity production and integrity verification of control plane data. RLC layer, transparent mode, unacknowledged mode, acknowledged mode, mode, control plane, radio resource control, state machine, RRC states, RRC ideal, RRC connected, RRC inactive, registration management, connection management, access control, signaling radio bearers, PDUs, session, network slicing, beamforming, MIMO. 5G in operation, open source 5G system, open source platform RAN, building block of RANs, architecture of G-Node V stack, architecture of UE stack, 5G technology practical session, test case design, overview of test labs, log analysis tool overview like QXDM, QCAT, ELT, Lozel, and Wireshark open source tool for everyone. And all these tools you will get access for practice as well. 5G case study, participant from the group and a select topic from the list. A list of topics 5G standard will be provided. Participant pick a topic from given list, prepare and present so that you will be confident on the topics. Suppose in a batch max to max 30 candidate will offer. So 30 topics you will select and you have to perform so that it will help to other as well. So it is aggregated implementation support in 5G and are needful for functional split options, various split options supported in 5G and are and implementation. 5G procedure, SNAS procedure, initial access procedure, UE procedure, connection and mobility management, handovers, simulators, practical session, demonstration of simulator uses, design principle and uses of simulators, GNB sims, UE sims, introduction of oran, why oran, component of oran system, oran architecture, vran, oran, CUDU, RU concept, CPRI characteristic, CPRI characteristic, IQ data transfer procedure, PTP, C plane, U plane, S plane, protocol clock model and synchronization topology, Open RAN management, M plane for Open RAN radio unit, M plane functional description, netcoff, call home to ORU controller, SSH connection establishment, security and authentication. Run the 5G stack practical session. Observe the power on, call flow, observe the information element on every message through the eyes. 5G case study on the RAN element by participant group. A list of 5G topics architectures will provided. Participants select the topics prepared to present to the class. Then on the core network elements by participant group, a list of topic will provide. Participants select topic and prepare present to the class. Presentation on 5G application by example extended reality in 5G. Then we'll move into the Python part. Embedded system, hardware and software components, cell phone hardware and software, software programming language, introduction of Python programming, environment setup, first program, how to does Python code run, Python reserved words, syntax, line and identification, comments, variables, data types, operators, decision making statements, loop statements, functions, module, package, file operations, file handling, exception handling and assertions. So real world automation project 5G NR KPI calculation, 5G throughput calculation and a 5G NR log analysis. So this is the part of training. So for more detail you can connect on these number and it's our official website. Reach out to me for further details. It's our www.rmtechsolutions.in, our website. We are registered from Pune, Maharashtra. So thanks for watching this video. Thanks everyone. Thanks for joining. Thanks for joining demonstration. Those who are looking for hands-on learning, QuickGM, QK, TLT, we are offering all tools just because of we are having Indian as well as overseas project. For enrollment process, you can connect on this number. Thanks for joining us.